In this video, I will show how to buy shares of GWA Group Ltd step by step. GWA is an Australian building products and bathroom fixtures company listed on CBOE AUS with the ticker GWA.ASX. This is educational content, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and you must add funds to place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GWA.ASX to locate the company. Make sure you select the listing that matches GWA Group Ltd on CBOE AUS. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Verify the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if your account has insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once confirmed, your position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform example.